Hi, this is Rachelle, and I'm here to share a flip through of one of my handmade journals. This journal is Life 101. It's the sister journal to Document It, and I'll link to the flip through of that one in the iCard up above. So the closure is a string closure. We have eyelets holding the string on. The cover is a mixed media style cover with decoupage napkins and doilies on scrapbook cardstock, and it has been treated with decoupage, Mod Podge, and ultra matte medium, so it's pretty sturdy. It has a paper collage on the front, and again, it's called Life 101, and the cover is doubled with aged cardstock on the inside. We have a vellum pocket here in the front. So the vellum pocket has a tag and a piece of ephemera. Put that back later, and also acts as a tuck spot. So we have a piece of ephemera and a Project Life card in the tuck spot area. Then we move on to the vellum page, the doily heart, digital paper. All the shops that I use for digital paper will be listed in the description box below. We have a paper bag pocket. And I, like with the documented journal, I left space for you to add your own ephemera, so all the pockets aren't full. It gives you room to add your own items into the journal. A aged page, and on the other side we have a stitched pocket from digital paper, a botanical style journaling spot, and one of the tags from my shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC.com. I just reduced the size and added a torn fabric pull with a staple. Have writing page. This is a cardstock pocket with a piece of corner punched cardstock for journaling and a Project Life card. That's what that looks like. We have aged pink paper, digital paper from Shabby Dabby Doodah, a ticket and paper collage with a tag. This tag I'm pretty sure is from Artie Mays. Aged paper, an aged paper pocket with a paper collage and stitching. In the pocket we have some tag ephemera, a small postcard ephemera, and a botanical style journaling card, all on digital paper, aged paper, cardstock with a envelope, has some collage and decoration on the envelope, and a stamped journaling card inside the envelope, and that just folds over the scrapbook paper. Then we have a top corner pocket with a botanical style journaling spot that's backed on aged paper and a piece of ephemera. That's all on the pink paper with a scrapbook paper pocket here. Digital paper edged with black lace, an abstract craft paper page stitched. Writing paper, a double pocket, so we have a pocket here. So this is a floral journaling spot and a piece of ephemera tucked into this pocket, and then there's also a pocket here as well, so you have two pockets. And all of that's on the aged paper. We have a folded doily that you can use as a tuck spot, black paper for gel pen or fluorescent pens, gold pen, journaling page, aged paper book page, a collage pocket with a tag made from a printable paper from my shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC.com. It has a crochet trim pull, scrapbook paper, and then this is the center of the signature. It's an envelope, but it is not glued together, and I left it open so that you can use it that way and write inside, or glue it and make it an envelope. And like I did with the documented, I'm going to go ahead and add a paper clip here so that you can keep it closed if you decide not to glue it. And then this is the beginning of the other side of this signature. You have a long journaling spot in a cardstock pocket. The journaling spot is from Artie Mae's book page, aged paper, digital paper, black paper with a digital paper stitched pocket, a journaling card, slips right in there. Then we have the other side of the doily tuck spot, aged paper, a scrapbook paper tag that is backed with aged paper and has a string pull, in a ticket tuck spot, writing paper. We have a guest check tuck spot with a trifold with decorative corner punching. The other side of the abstract page, craft paper page with stitching, digital paper. This is a digital paper tag, a library card, and a journaling card, all in this Terry Woods, I think it's called Terry Woods style pocket. And it opens up for lots of extra journaling space. You could use it to collage as well. And it just folds back up like that. There we go. And then you have a tuck spot here. There's one behind there. And then behind the whole pocket is another tuck spot. So all that on pink paper. You have a cardstock pocket with a inked journaling card, scrapbook paper with grid, aged paper, digital paper with another of the double pockets. Again, pockets are empty to give you room to add your own ephemera, and it is edged with crochet trim. Aged paper, digital paper from Shabby Dabby Doodah, pink aged paper. This is the other side of the cardstock pocket, and this is a coin style envelope with a journaling card inside. All of this has been inked, and this tucks in here. You have writing paper, aged paper. We have a corner pocket that's stitched from, and it's made from digital paper. A floral card backed with tea or coffee stained paper, aged paper. Postcard ephemera in the pocket. The other side of the paper bag can be used as a pocket. Digital paper. The other side of the heart doily and the vellum, and this is the back inside cover. This is the back cover. So that's what it looks like, and this will be listed in my shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC.com. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.